Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd deals. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review Layerpath. So Layerpath is a tool that lets you create product demos. You can even create product tours using Layerpath, and the best part is you can also create product reviews or product tutorials just like a video tutorial, which means you can use it as an alternative to Loom. But keep in mind, currently Layerpath only focuses on short form content. So when you are recording your screen, the video could be around 10 minutes long. And Layerpath is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is over $500, but at Appsumo you are getting this tool at only $59. This is a one-time single payment. Now let's have a look at all the plans and features. So no matter what you create, it could be product tour or demo, or it could be a video screen recording. You have the editing capabilities. The videos are going to be exported in 1080p resolution. You can create unlimited projects. There's initial demo overlay, automatic text annotation, basic analytics. You can remove the Layerpath branding, and there is also brand kit in order to add your own custom branding. And these are 3 tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. The tier 1 costs $59. So here you have 100 video export credits per month, and then you also have 1000 AI content credit as well as 100 voiceover credits per month. There is also tier 2. On the tier 2 there are some additional features such as this video editor. You can edit unlimited videos. There is also playlist, advanced branching, and also permissions and analytics. There is also tier 3, and this has to be the best tier because it has so many additional features. As you can see, obviously you get the video editor, playlist, advanced branching, permission and analytics. You can blur sensitive information that is on your screen on the product demo or the screen recording. You can also add 3D effects, animation. There is user collaboration, workspace access, and also you can add your own custom domain. So if you want to buy Layerpath on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Now before I show you how Layerpath works, let me first take you to the roadmap. So as you can see, here is the roadmap. Here are all the planned features, and you can also see there are 3 features that are currently in progress. So now let me show you how Layerpath works. So once you log in, Layerpath is going to ask you to install their Chrome extension. So I'm just going to do that. Click on this and then click on add to Chrome. Okay, so the Chrome extension has been added. I have to pin the extension. So here's our extension. I'm just going to pin it. Okay, so now let's click on get started. And as you can see, now we are in the dashboard of Layerpath. So on the left side, there are some crucial sections. First of all, we have this workspace. So if I click on this, as you can see, currently I am on this workspace. But if I have multiple workspaces, all of them are going to appear on this section. So I can switch in between them. I can also change various team settings from here. I can add team members. And in order to add my custom domain, I have to go to this section. And then on the left side, we also have this playlist where we can arrange our videos. And then we also have the brand kit in order to add custom information about your brand, such as you can upload your logo. And then you can also choose the brand color, change the brand theme. You can also adjust the button theme, button background and text color, the button style. You can also customize the font, the title font, as well as the description font. And then we can also change our brand voice from this AI voiceover. You can choose any AI voiceover from here and preview it on this right side. And then you can also change the canvas background. And last but not least, we have this watermark option. So if you want to disable the Layerpath watermark, you can simply do that from here. So now what I want to do is go back to the dashboard. Okay, so now I want to create a new project, which means I want to make a video or a tour or a product demo. So I'm just going to click on this. And then there are multiple options in order to create my project. I can upload one from my library, the library that is on Layerpath on the dashboard, or I can also upload a file from my computer, or I can also record something new. So I'm just going to record, click on this, and now I have to choose exactly the tab where I want to record the product demo or a video. So I'm just going to select this tab, the last tab, that is this particular tab. So I'm going to record a video on this Layerpath website. So I'm going to select this tab, and now here are some instructions. How can I I start recording, there is the extension for starting the recording, or I can also use this shortcut. And then for interaction and capturing, which means capturing screenshots, I can also use this particular shortcut. And then there is also shortcut for stop recording. So I'm just going to close this and I'm going to start my recording from here. Click on start recording. Okay, so the recording has started, and now every time I click on something, that is going to be tracked and that is going to be saved on the video or the product demo. So for example, first of all, I want to click on this product on Layerpath, and you can also see how many times you have clicked on the right top side. So now I want to click on this demo customization, and then for example, I want to go to this showcase, and then I want to go to this pricing page. Then I want to click on this blog section. And for example, I want to open this guide. Okay, so here is the guide. I want to go back and I want to open this blog. So I think that will be enough. I'm going to stop the recording. Click on this and the recording has stopped. So now here's the best part about Layerpath. Just see with one recording how many things you have got. So first of all, we have got the product tour, as you can see. So let me show you this tour. I'm going to launch this tour. You might already know how a product tour is going to work. So as you can see, I first clicked on this product section, and that is why it is asking me to do that. Navigate to product. And if I click on this, and then it is asking me to click on this demo customization, and as you can see, the text has been automatically added. I didn't have to add any text to this tour. It was done fully by the AI. And then if I click on this demo customization, then I will have to click on this showcase. Okay, so after that I clicked on pricing, then blog, and then it is asking me to click here, and then it opened the blog, and then I clicked on this blog. So as you can see, this was the product tour, but other than the tour, we also have a product guide. So if I show you this guide, so here is the guide, and as you can see, for the guide, it is zoomed in. So on the first step of the guide, we have to navigate to product. So it is asking me to do that. And then the next step is to click on demo customization. So just see how clearly it shows you what to do on the guide. And on the left side, you can also see the table of content, which means the full guide. So this is how the product guide is going to work. And then we have my most favorite part, that is the video or the screen recording. So here is the video. So this is a video that is very similar to Loom. Let me show you this one. So as you can see, here is the video, the screen recording. And as you can see, each time I have clicked on a particular section, it is zooming in on that section. So this is amazing, and the best part is no matter if it is product tour or it is guide or video, you can edit it. So for product tour, let me show you all the editing option. So as you can see, the first page on the product tour or the first slide on the product tour is this one. So you can edit this text. You can also edit this one from this right side. You can change this button text, and you can also change settings about form. If you want to add a form, you can also do that on here. You can add various buttons, and you can change various settings about the button on the right side. So as you can see, this is the button number 1. You can change the button color. As you can see, the color has now changed. You can also choose the destination for the button. So here are all the options, and you can also change settings about the third button. And then now if I open a slide, so here is our first slide. And if I just click on this, once again the text editor has opened. Now I can edit the text. And if I click on this enhance with AI, I can select the category of the recording. I can also provide a description about this recording. I can also add AI voiceover from here. Okay, so if you provide a brief description about your recording on here, what Layerpath is going to do is customize the content for the recording according to that brief description that you provide. And other than the design, you can also change the layout. So here are all the options. You can change the position. So this is how you can change the position. As you change the layout, you can also change the position for the text as well as the whole image or the screenshot. You can also make it fit to the screen or use it as the cover. You can change the alignment. You can also change the background color. It could be abstract, gradient or color. For example, if I choose this one, as you can see, this is how the background is going to change. And then you can also add voiceover. All you have to do is just add the voiceover text and then choose the voiceover voice. And you can also hide this slide if you want. There are some settings. So here are all the settings that you can change. And then there is also this image editor. You can crop this image, reduct it, or also annotate it. So for example, I want to add an annotation on here. So for annotation, there are multiple options. You can add this Sharpie, that is probably this pencil. And then you can also use this eraser. You can use this path. So you can use the path just like this one. And then you can add a line or add a rectangle box, ellipse, or you can also add text. For example, I want to add a text on here. So as you can see, now I can add the text. And obviously you can also add a new layer or probably a new slide from this left side. So these are basically all the options that you get for editing your product tour videos. And there is also an analytics section on here. Just click on this. So now you can see the analytics about your product tour, total view, total times it has been played and also completed. You can see the visitor by their country, browser, device or operating system. Now let's go to this product guide, and you also have editing option for this. Just click on edit. So now you can change the title for a particular step, and you can also add description to this step. And on the right side, if you click on this, you can edit this image, the image of the product demo. And then we also have a very good editor for the video. So here's that. So on the video, we have 3 slides or 3 sections. First of all, we have this intro and then the main video, and then we have the outro. So everything is customizable. Let me open this actual video. On the bottom side, you can see the recording. You can see whenever the zoom effect has been added. You can also increase or reduce the duration of the zoom. And there are also multiple other effects, such as you can add highlight. You can also add blur. You can rotate your video. You can add voiceover. So on the right side, you can see all the options, such as first of all, we have this tilt optimization or tilt adjustment. So if you want your video to tilt, you can also do that from here. You can also change the layout. So first of all, you can set a background. I can set it to another color. As you can see, it has changed. You can enable this stroke width. You can change the padding for this background or your actual video. You can enable rounded corner if you want. And then you can also drop shadow. Then you can add audio, background music on here. You can select the volume for the music. You can add various effects such as zoom effect, tilt effect, reduct, or blur, or even highlight. So for example, I want to add blur, and as you can see, the blur effect has been added. You can control it on here. So if you want to make it longer, you can just do that. I think you can also change the position from here. So where you want to blur, you just have to select that. And then you can also choose the intensity for the blur. And last but not least, we have this AI. So with the AI, you can generate AI voiceover. All you have to do is just select the voice and then click on generate voiceover. And you can also customize the content for the voiceover. So for that, just click on this add, and on this box, you can provide your voiceover text, select the voiceover voice, and then you can generate the voiceover. So overall, I think Layerpath is an excellent tool that lets you create product demos, but you are not only limited to that. You can create product tours, product guides, step-by-step guides. And the best part is you can even use it as a Loom alternative. So it is going to screen record your video, and no matter what kind of content you create using Layerpath, product tour or the demo or the guide or even the video, everything is customizable with the advanced editor of Layerpath. So if you want to buy it from Appsumo as a lifetime deal, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this tool, you are going to get all these features, and these are 3 tiers that you can buy from Appsumo.
So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description, and once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this, and on this box you have to provide your email. Then click on unlock my 10%, and then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link, and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo credits gift, and this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.